Hi, good evening everybody. It's Eric, this is my channel, Cajun Blade. Y'all can see, when this goes up to either this morning or yesterday, I loaded up a bunch of content that had been backed up, that I've been supposed to load and just hadn't been home, hadn't had the Wi-Fi to do it. But we now square. I'm back. Today's the first or so. It's a Saturday, so whatever the date is today, and we're gonna go ahead and do the shape I talked about on one of my previous home videos, where I'm gonna take this Dovo Bismarck honed up on my Convexed Coticule, all the way on Coticule, and I have this fine Thier Issard I got from the Spirit Shave. This is probably my third or fourth shave on it. They've all been great, so I just want to see how my edge compares to it, and just for fun, I don't know if I'll shave with it or just try it. I got a gold Lather out the box. You see, that's not corrected healer tool like I normally do. Just pull it out the box, wiped it down, and did a full dilution on this Coticule, new to me Coticule. I got little natural combo. I still one of my favorite sizes. Did something a little different though. Did a full dilution with this slurry stone, and then at the end, when I was ready to go to water, I probably made 40-50 passes on water. Then I slurred up again with a Thier slurry stone. Why? I have no idea. It was sitting right here, so I did it, and I honed on slurry on that Thier slurry for probably 50-60 passes. Just playing with it, and then rinsed it and went to water on the Coticule, and it stuck right away. So just something different, you know. Why? I don't know, but I may throw it in to just see how it compares to the two Convexed razors. The soap is Arko. This is if I'm not using usually on the road I use my soap that I make, which is tallow-based soap, which is my preference, or Arko. Arko, for the price, for the bang for your buck. The scent, I love the look at that. Just with my fingers on. And I do have a little over 2 days growth to help lather it up, but I'm an Arko fan. And the Arko's are so, do you like it or you hate it? You know, I'm not gonna sit there and argue with you why it's good or why it's bad. I like it. I love it. Can't get enough of it. I think that's a song. My brush, old trusty boar, especially when I got a lot of growth. I like to get in them whiskers for the boar knot. This is a 26mm boar knot on a homemade buck stag deer horn handle. I use the crap out of this brush. This is my go-to. All right. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna when I finish this up, I'm gonna put my glasses back on where I can see my neck. I seriously need eye doctor appointment, and my glasses are incredibly scratched up. But anyway, I can still see through them better I can without. But I thought about it. I normally do that, just put my glasses back on to do my neck passes where I can see. And I hadn't been doing it on video, and I noticed that a couple misses that were obvious, like around my goatee right here, and down the bottom of my neck. But so I'm gonna go back to how I normally do shit. If y'all like it, you like it. If you're not, then don't tune in. Look at that. Can't hardly beat that. What, they cost $2 a soap stick. Awesome lather. So we're gonna go with we know what we've been getting with the Issard, so I'm gonna go with the Dovo Bismarck first. It's also a 6/8. Okay, that was the last. What's hell? Not seeing. Like where I'm at right here, I can't see myself in my phone hardly at all. So I gotta kind of look to the side on the mirror. Remember, this wasn't honed on flat. This is straight. Conical. Concave conical to the apex. So I can tell you right now, it could be better. Yeah, not as enjoyable as I hoped, but I have been going from that stone mostly to a flat stone, something to give it a little more polish. They got it down. We're gonna try it again on now that the main growth is off, how it does, picking up those what's left, but it's all right. But it's not what I'd like to have. Here's a sword. Well, I guess they're not all that different. I do have a lot of growth, and I'm an everyday shaver, and it may have been 3 days since my last shave. I don't know, but not a whole lot different. Gets better as the growth is gone. No, it's better. It's better. But when I shave, I don't peck at it, right? I usually come with it. You know, that's just how I prefer to do it. So inside the goatee, let's try this gold dollar. See how she works. Not too bad. I see. Not too bad at all. That's my first try with that stone I just purchased. Just got it back. Interesting. Wet my face again. Some water. Getting thirsty on me. So summertime is here. I had some issues that's kept me from having to go to work and family and personal stuff. Kind of why I've been active, loading up on time. But anyway, trying to catch up around the house. And it's going from 100 plus. The humidity, I can't roll my glasses outside, it's so thick. And then like right now, it's overcast and storming. So typical Louisiana weather, right? I don't know, Leon's in Houston. He gets the same thing I got, except they got a lot more concrete than where I'm at. Okay, back to the Bismarck. Just a grain. Oh yeah, much better. Yep, it just had so much growth. Not bad at all. It's not the first time I've done that to myself, where I let myself go a while, and when I pick the razor up, I'm kind of, hold on a second. Nice. Okay. You put that virgin gold dollar to the test right here. Now me, one of the whole reason I wore a beard most of my life until I started wet shaving is because my neck is incredibly sensitive. It doesn't matter what I shaved with, whether it's a cartridge, electric, whatever, it just broke out. And the easiest on my face has been a straight razor, but that's when I can tell where my edge is at or if I have an issue, because immediately I'm gonna feel something, especially the lower part of my neck. We'll try that here. Not sit here being an advocate for gold dollars, because a pack of 10 you may have 7 that's junk that you gotta do a ton of work to, but this one here, for normal work, now I didn't do my normal geometry correction, didn't check it, never put a Sharpie on it, pulled it out of the box, put some freaking tape on it, went to town. That is way more about luck than skill, that I assure you. Now the next time I pick this thing up, it's gonna be like I never honed it. No, sometimes you can get 2-3 shaves out of them. That is a fantastic edge. I'm impressed with that little gargle. I'm gonna try that. And I mean, that may be stupid, but I'm gonna try that turning in flare stone again on a good razor. Do a side-by-side comparison. Don't ask me why I did it. You were sitting right there. I had a what we call it, say in French, envie to try it. All right, I had to edit. My wife walked in the bathroom and asked me a question. My son's boiling crawfish, and of course, the propane regulator broke, so got to use mine. And I wasn't invited, which don't break my heart. I've been about crawfish diet at this point of the year. So I don't normally use bowls, and you can see what I'm using mine for right now, which is soap in my brush and to dip my tips in to get more water in my lather. That's about the extent of what I use a bowl for. Okay, here's the sword. That's nice. Let's tell you what, I'm very, very happy with my purchase. Very happy with the honing Jared put on it. Ain't a lot I keep saying, but highly recommended. Unfortunately for me, and fortunately for Jared, I'll probably have quite a few more of those. Really enjoyed it. Dovo. nice as well. So if I had to pick them, I don't really know how I do. I probably did the Thier Issard. Both very thin razors, don't they both? Have a really good feel to them. I'm not dissatisfied with the honing on the Bismarck at all. And I'll probably leave it like this. And the gold louder, I'll tell you I'd leave it like that, but I don't want to swap them up too much now that it's in the rotation. But I was very shocked. Wished I'd used it more on the, and I will, more on the heavy groove, if you how it went. So put your glasses on so you can check this out. Do some buffer passes right there where I normally miss. Think that'll work. For the splash today, we're gonna go Lustry, little barbershop, the blue Lustry. I tell you what, that's what I like about those convex edges, and the kindness to your face. Really good, because this stuff will tell you immediately if you have any issues. So, good shave on my part. The razors did their part. On the dumb end with me, I just guided them, but no complaints from me. Hope you enjoy it. Y'all don't get too hot out there. Hope Martin's having a good time over there on his holiday. And all the rest of y'all take care. This is Eric, this is my channel. This is the Cajun Blade, and I'm out.